In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink GCash from ShopeePay. If you've connected GCash to your Shopee account and want to remove it, maybe for security, budgeting, or simply to tidy up your payment options, this walkthrough will make the process clear and straightforward. Start by opening the Shopee app on your phone. Make sure you're on your account page and look for the gear-shaped settings icon. It's typically found on the top corner of your profile screen. If your app layout looks a little different due to updates, don't worry. Just look for the familiar gear symbol that indicates settings. Once you're inside settings, go to the section labeled Bank Accounts or Cards. This is the central place where Shopee organizes all your saved payment methods. You'll find entries for any bank accounts, debit or credit cards, and other linked payment options tied to your Shopee activity. On this page, you'll see your list of linked payments. Take a moment to scan through the entries to locate GCash. If GCash is currently linked, it will appear here alongside your other saved methods. This is where all the management happens, so you don't need to leave the app or dig through other menus. Tap the GCash entry to open its details, then look for the option to unlink or remove. Select that option to proceed. The app may display a confirmation prompt, so you can verify that you want to disconnect GCash from your Shopee payments. Go ahead and confirm, and the link will be removed. If you don't see GCash in the list, that simply means it's not linked, and there's nothing else you need to do. A few quick tips as you go. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the change saves correctly. If your app looks different, or the menu names don't match exactly, update to the latest version and check again. Unlinking GCash here only removes it as a payment method in Shopee. It doesn't affect your GCash account outside of Shopee, and you can always link it again later if you change your mind. If you rely on GCash for certain purchases, consider whether you want to keep it connected before removing it. And as always, keep your account secure and never share one-time codes or other sensitive information. That's it. Open Shopee, head to the gear icon for settings, go to bank accounts or cards, review your linked payments, and unlink GCash right there. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your payment methods with confidence.